The first option is to open your laptop, computer, or smartphone device. In less than 30 minutes or less, you can set up this passive income stream by following the procedures in this video. Shut down your computer. Go out with your pals, have a good time, relax and sleep, and enjoy yourself, and return on a regular basis to return and collect your earnings. Option 2, don't follow the steps in the video and don't view this lesson. Then return to your regular life and earn no money passively. You can choose either of the two options, but bear in mind that if you do decide to follow this guide, I want you to know that this is applicable worldwide. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now for today, we'll be making money with GIFs, and you'll be paid for each one. We must first comprehend what a GIF is. GIF is a lossless image file format that allows both animated and static images according to Google. When you go to Google Images and search GIFs, you'll get a list of all these distinct GIFs. As a result, I'm sure you've seen them. So here's a GIF. It's not a real video, and there's no sound, but it's not an image either. It's a GIF. And after all, I'm sure you've seen one of those on the internet, as some of these are the most popular GIFs in internet history, and I'm sure you've seen them somewhere else. So now that you know what a GIF is, let's move on to the next phase, which is why you should go to Giphy.com. These may be found at Giphy. This is a website where millions of individuals from all over the world share GIFs on a variety of themes. You've got some serious GIFs here. You've got some amusing GIFs. On Giphy.com, there are literally millions of distinct GIFs to choose from. Are you going to have to post these and make GIFs now? No, you're not required to do so. Absolutely, you do not need to post anything on Giphy.com because you'll be compensated by downloading GIFs from the site. And I'll show you how to set it up properly and make it operate step by step. As a result, you can actually acquire income. Simply go to Giphy.com for the first step. Step 2, you can now have two options to choose from. You can either go to Giphy or you can use the search bar to look for various GIFs. Followers, for example, subscriber counts, Facebook likes and like count, views are important, and so on. For instance, just to give you an idea, you may search for followers right here. As a result, this is a fantastic one. You can use this, or maybe this one. I'm not sure about this one, but we're looking for GIFs that counts how many people have followed us on Twitter. You can either do this on Giphy or go straight to Google and search for followers, then go to images and look around. And that way you'll be able to uncover a lot more GIFs, which will increase your number of followers and likes. This is the one I'm gonna use because it's fantastic. As you can see, it displays followers and appears to be counting them, and it also is from Giphy. As you can see, there's a lot of amazing material there. Anyway, once you've discovered it, go to step 3. For step 3, now that you've chosen the perfect GIF, I'd like you to save it onto your phone and tablet. All you need to do now is right-click if you're using the desktop version on a computer or laptop. Simply click on GIF, save image as, and save it to your computer or laptop. Number 4 is the final step. You now need to go to a website called E-clincher.com. This is the tool that businesses, entrepreneurs, and ordinary people like myself use. And because E-clincher.com will handle their social media accounts for them, you utilize to grow their social media accounts automatically and give them a boost. We'll help them expand their social media presence. As you can see, it is certain to increase your social media ROI and make you rich. It now integrates with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and a slew of other social media platforms. You'll have to utilize it yourself. No. Is there anything you'll have to pay for? No. This is a completely free service. Is it necessary for you to have certain social media profiles? Certainly not. You don't even require any social media following. As a result, this is ideal for total beginners with no prior experience or specific skills. These guys have been featured in major media outlets such as Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, and Huffington Post, and others. As a result, E-clincher assists users in growing their social media accounts by pretty much taking care of everything. It also helps them get more by controlling all social media accounts. It aids their ascension. It helps them get greater return on their investment and keeps adding value in features so they can improve their ability to execute their strategy for that specific business owner or entrepreneur. So for step 4, all you have to go to is E-clincher. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Now, the 5th and last step, I hope you're paying attention because you'll need to scroll down all the way to the bottom for the website for step number 5. You must then click on the partner or affiliate, which is located directly beneath the E-clincher area. So in order to start making money with those GIFs, you'll need to join their affiliate program. With this affiliate network, you can earn not only hundreds but tens of thousands of dollars and more. So stay tuned to see exactly how this works. But first, let's consider the facts. There will be about 3.6 billion people in the world. That equates to nearly half the world's population utilizing social media. With that number expected to rise to about 4.4 billion by 2025, there'll be a lot of people who'll benefit from eclincher.com. Each of the people you refer out of 4.4 billion. One person is worth $100, a group of 10 is equal to 1,000, and 100 persons in all is 10,000 in pure profit for you, because you won't have to invest any money, because I'll show you a simple approach for getting paid for nothing. So for step 5, I'd like you to apply for the affiliate program by clicking here and filling out the form. You'll be taken to this page where you'll need to fill in your email address in this box. For the website section, type your first and last name. You can just paste the website, which will be used for traffic generation, and you can leave it for the time being. I'll show you which traffic generating platform we'll be using. Then you may use that link to create a website. This does not necessitate having your own website, so don't be concerned. Unless you already have a corporation, you can leave this field blank. Of course, you don't own a business, don't worry, it will still work for you. Your country will be chosen by you, and as you can see, they welcome people from all walks of life. As a result, all of these countries have been approved. We can look at all of these and find that they're all acceptable. As a result, it functions globally. You'll make a password for yourself. Some of your social network profiles will be entered. By clicking on this link, you will be able to view their terms and conditions as well as their privacy policy. If you agree, simply check on the box, fill out the form by clicking this button, and click sign up. That's all there is to it. You'll be able to get your unique affiliate link. You will earn $100 for each person that signs up for E-clincher after clicking on that link. To make 300, you only need 3 people, and I'm going to show you exactly how to reach millions of individuals. As you can see, 3.6 billion people use social media across the world, and now E-clincher is gonna assist them grow and profit from their social media. In the next phase, once you have the affiliate link, all you gotta do now is start driving traffic using the GIFs that we downloaded for free. Simply go to imgur.com for step number 6. Imgur is viewed by about 243 million people every month, including over 200 million visitors from all around the world according to SimilarWeb. And only 3 people are required to make $300. For 6 individuals, the cost is $600, and so on. And this is a population of 200 million people. Simply sign up for step 6 by clicking on the sign up button, and it's completely free. Creating an entirely free lifetime will take you no more than 60 seconds. For the final stage, all you have to do is publish the GIF that we previously downloaded for free. All you have to do now is go on this page and click on a new post. That will take you to this page, where you must click on Pick Photographs or Videos and then double-click on the GIF you previously created. It will resemble this, and as you can see, it's quite appealing. Give your article a title now. So because you want people to click on your affiliate, I want you to type something that will truly catch their attention. So for instance, enter in increase your social media accounts automatically or anything like. Of course, you may personalize and change it as you see fit, create a good call to action in the description, and then place your special affiliate link in this section. Sign up, that's all I'll say. However, I propose that you type something that will genuinely catch their attention. Make sure this is your affiliate link and don't forget to include tags. This is also critical because you want only certain people to see your GIF and affiliate link. You don't want people who are concerned with issues like weight loss and fitness. You need people who are enthusiastic about expanding their social media profiles. Type in Instagram or influencer or how to expand your Instagram and social media, for example, as a result, and once you've finished adding those tags, you'll be able to attract folks who are looking for you. You've got a call to action right here. You've got a nice looking GIF and an affiliate link. All you gotta do now is share it with the community, and your post will be seen by over 243 million people on Imgur.com. Simply press 2 community buttons and publish publicly. And that's all there is to it. That's all. You've uploaded this GIF, which a lot of people from all over the world can now see, and you'll be paid for each person that signs up for E-clincher.com using your link. You can do the same thing with all the other links, or whatever you think would catch people's eyes, and will catch their interest and entice them to click on your link. Just go to Jiffy and look for some fascinating GIFs. That's all there is to it. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.